How to cancel Showmax subscription. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we will guide you through on how we can cancel Showmax subscription. So let's go ahead and look out on how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe icon and also turn on the notification bell to get updated about our latest videos. So in order to cancel a Showmax subscription, you may just head over to one of the browser and you may just directly type in showmax.com. After that, you'll be taken to this page where you may just go ahead and click on the link that is shown on my screen, or just type in showmax.com directly, where you will be finding this sign in and get started option. So you're just gonna go ahead and tap on sign in here at the top corner. You may just go ahead and tap on it. After going there, you're just gonna go ahead and locate your account, where you will be going under plans and payments, where you will be finding all of your subscription here. So here right now I haven't subscribed in any plans, but if you have added any plan and added any kind of subscription, you will be finding it right below your plan section. So you're just gonna go ahead and tap on that plan, and below that you will be finding an option called unsubscribe. You're just gonna go ahead and tap on unsubscribe. Otherwise, you may just head over and locate the option called payment method here, and you may just go ahead and remove any kind of payment method that is provided onto your Showmax. So these are the process you may follow that I just told you in order to remove your subscription from Showmax. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.